Hey everyone, long time no see. I have been working crazy hours at work and didn't have any time to make content on my YouTube channel. But this is a cooking video, but with a twist. The twist is I'm doing some mac and cheese, but not just any mac and cheese. My older sister asked me if she could buy it for me and I said no. I went to the grocery store and saw it and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy this and make a video about it, cook it, taste it. You know, I only had one box, but I got two boxes because they're different flavors, and we're talking about Cheetos Mac and Cheese. Here are the flavors. We have the jalapeno, the cheesy jalapeno flavor, and the hot Cheetos flavor. I guess, in my opinion, it's going to be gross, and I'm gonna film myself cooking a little of this and tasting it for the first time, but I'm not gonna eat both of these tonight. The only one I will taste and make is the cheesy jalapeno, and tomorrow afternoon I will be making and tasting the hot Cheetos flavor. So it's just like making normal KD craft dinner or mac and cheese. 6 cups of water, some butter, and some milk. And yeah, I know how to make this shit. I don't need to look at the instructions. I'm familiar with making mac and cheese. So let's begin to make this. But before we do, we're gonna make a toast with a black cherry White Claw. Drink responsibly, everyone. But hey, back on YouTube for this video. Don't know what my next videos will be and when will they be uploaded, but cheers to everyone, and we're almost near the end of 2021. Damn. So the water is boiling right now, so let's open this box of cheesy jalapeno mac and cheese flavor. Oh god, opened it like a moron. Who cares? Oh my god, the presentation is awful. Like, where? That's the bag. KD have a design on this bag. This looks like military food. It looks gross. So we have the noodles over here. I like that those are spiral noodles. And let's pour them in the water. As you can see, it's done. The mac and cheese is cooked. And now we're gonna put the cheesy jalapeno powder inside this pan. So, oh, I think you don't even have to cut it. Oh, you can just pull it like this. Oh god, powder went on the floor a little. Oh god, it's orange powder with some green spots. Oh god, I can smell it. Oh, it's literally Cheeto dust. Jalapeno Cheeto dust. So, let's fucking pour it in the fucking pan. Oh god, I don't like that smell one bit. Okay, here we go. Whew. We're gonna put some butter. Jesus Christ, it smells bad. Holy fuck, it smells bad. It smells bad. God, this camera angle is disgusting. Here, oh my god, it smells horrible. Holy fuck. Oh god, I hate this smell. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh god, no. I hate this. We're gonna pour some milk. Oh my god. Oh, it smells bad. It literally smells like jalapeno Cheetos. Jesus fuck. Oh my god, it's gonna be gross. I can feel it. Thank God I ordered some food on DoorDash. Jesus fuck. Oh, look at this. It's really orange. It's orange just like the jalapeno Cheetos. Imagine when I do the hot Cheetos. It's gonna be bright red and super hot, and it's gonna smell horribly. So I'm gonna mix all of this together, and I will taste this in front of the camera and give you my honest opinion and reaction to this fucking monstrosity over here. Ugh. God. Before I even show you the final result of the cheesy jalapeno mac and cheese, I'm gonna drink one last sip of this White Claw. Oh God, here we go. Ta-da! Oh my God, it looks bad. It smells bad. I'm sure it's gonna taste bad. I see the green dots for the jalapenos all over this bowl. And yet, oh my God. Hope I'm not gonna throw up, but yeah. I'm going to taste this in front of the camera and show you my raw reaction. Here we go. Oh my God. Ooh, it smells horrible. It's not that gross, but it's underwhelming. I feel the jalapeno in my throat, but it's fucking disappointed. It's not good. It's really not good. God, I don't even want to eat this. Hell no. Oh my God, it's so fucking gross. I can't do this. Ugh. I'm throwing this shit in the garbage. It's so disgusting. I was like, oh, it's underwhelming. It's not that gross, but holy shit, I can't fucking eat this. It tastes so artificial. Jalapeno. This shit is fucking gross. Don't buy this at all. Maybe the hot Cheetos flavor will be a different outcome, but holy shit, I'm putting this in the garbage. Thank God I ordered food. So yeah, don't buy this cheesy jalapeno sorry, mac and cheese flavor. Don't buy this. I'm throwing this in the trash, and I'll see you the next day. So we are the next day, Saturday, and it's 11 a.m. and I decided to finish this video by cooking the hot Cheetos flavored mac and cheese and eat it in front of you guys, the camera. The jalapeno one was so disgusting. I had to throw it out in the trash. Like, I took one bite, tried to take a second or a third bite, I don't remember, but I couldn't. It was so gross. But yeah, 11 a.m. and we're eating hot Cheetos mac and cheese. Of course, I'm gonna open this up on camera. Really, I think it's gonna be better than the jalapeno one, but it's gonna be bad, I'm sure, as well. So, still looks like a military food bag. And we're gonna pour the noodles, same display, in the boiling water. And oh God, I already see some red powder. Oh God. Oh, it's bright red, just like hot Cheetos. Look, it's bright red. It smells good when it's on Cheetos, but just the powder in a small bag like this, it smells gross. So let's pour it in the noodles. Oh my god. It's so bright red. Cheese, ugh, it smells horrible. Why did I do this? Now we're putting butter inside that fucking monstrosity. Oh my god, holy shit. Oh, fuck no. I am not excited about this, holy shit. Oh my god, some milk, Jesus. Ooh, it smells like hot Cheetos, but like with noodles and everything as a mac and cheese. It's not something you want. Oh my god, this shit looks disgusting. Oh my fucking god, look how fucking bright red this is. Holy shit. Like, oh my god, the noise it makes with the milk. Ew. Holy shit, it looks bad. Like, it's gonna taste horrible. I can tell already. Like, holy shit. Holy fucking shit. So this is not the final product, but look how fucking bright red it is. It looks fucking gross. I have the final product in the bowl. Here it is. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Bright red hot Cheetos mac and cheese. I can already tell I am not gonna enjoy this at all. I think I'm gonna take like one bite and throw the rest of this shit in the garbage. It's literally an abomination. This is an abomination. This is going to fucking kill me. I'm going to die eating this. I'm going to die when eating this. That's how fucking gross it looks. And I haven't even tasted it yet, but oh my god, here we go. Jesus fuck. Ooh. God. Cheers. Not worse than the jalapeno one, but it's still not good. I'll try to take a second bite. I am not going to finish this. I am not gonna finish this one bit. I'm shocked that I haven't thrown this or spit it out of my mouth. I am gonna put this in the trash, obviously. But like, it's not good, but it's not like the cheesy jalapeno one. Like, that one was fucking gross. This still tastes like artificial cheese, but I think that's why I don't like it. The jalapeno one, the flavor and the artificial taste was really bad. This one's, the flavor's alright, but I think what I don't like about this, and I hate the most, is how artificial it tastes like. Like, it's not good. It's not real cheese. It's bad. It's disgusting. So my final verdict on this is, please do not buy this. Don't buy Cheeto flavored mac and cheese. Do not buy this. It's not worth it. It's literally Cheetos flavored powder in noodles. It's disgusting. Like, I don't want you guys to buy this product. Sure, Cheetos as chips are great, but as mac and cheese, no, it's disgusting. So yeah, don't buy this. I don't want you guys to buy this. But anyways, I am going to end this video right here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my social medias that will be in the description down below. And you can turn on the bell for notifications when I post. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.